Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fit Hair Life. I hope you all guys are doing well at your places and home. I'm your fitness partner in your fitness journey. Believe me, I'm not a fitness trainer. I'm just a normal person like you guys. I want you to work out with me and do all the exercises that I am doing to remain and to have a fit body and mind. That's what is my purpose. That's why I have created my channel to guide you all regarding the workouts and about the healthy diet you can have and stay fit. Are you someone who don't have a time to go to gym but want to burn those extra calories, or you are having a so busy schedule that you don't have a time to work out, but in your mind you're always thinking that what if I had a time, and you're always complaining that you don't have a time to work out. So today I have an option and I have a solution for you guys, those who don't have a time to work out daily at their places because of their busy schedule. The workout today I'm going to do is HIIT, high intensity interval training. That means, and that refers to short bursts of high intensity exercise with low intensity recovery periods. और आप ऐसा भी कह सकते हैं कि अपनी पूरी एनर्जी के साथ आप वर्कआउट करते हैं, और वो भी एक ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम के लिए, एक निश्चित समय के लिए आप पूरी इंटेंसिटी के साथ वर्कआउट करते हैं और उसको बार बार दोहराते हैं. उसको आप बोलते हैं हाई इंटेंसिटी इंटरवल ट्रेनिंग. इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु डोंट वांट टू गो टू जिम, जिसको जिम जाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, दिस इज़ द एक्सरसाइज यू कैन डू इट. इफ़ यू आर इन अ फेवर ऑफ लूजिंग फैट एंड वेट, को आप 20 से 25 मिनट में ख़त्म कर सकते हैं. कम से कम समय में आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैलोरीज बर्न कर सकते हैं, वो भी बिना जिम जाए हुए, बिना वेट लिफ्टिंग किए हुए. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ HIIT. So the benefit of HIIT is that it will help you to increase your heart rate, and while you are resting it will help you out in burning more calories, help you out in increasing your metabolism, helps in burning fat, increases your lung capacity. Now let's talk about the interval duration we will be having in a workout. Generally जो वर्कआउट टू रेस्ट का रेशियो होता है वो 1:1 और 1:2 का होता है. If you are working out for 30 seconds, then you will rest for 30 seconds or a 15 second. This is how it works and help you out in burning more calories. Enough of talks guys, let's talk about the workout we will be doing. There will be 4 exercises that I will be doing in workout 1, and there will be 2 more exercises that I'll do in workout 2. And the duration for the workouts will be 30 seconds on and 15 seconds in rest. That will be the ratio I will be doing the exercises. Exercises that I will be doing in workout 1 are jump squats, jackknives, high plank jacks, and alternative uppercuts. And the exercises I will be doing in workout 2 are burpees and bicycle crunches. So these are the exercises that I will be doing, and I want you guys also to do the same exercises and see the results. Apart from these exercises, I would like to tell you guys to find a corner and have a music sets with you so that you can enjoy the workout, and keep a water bottle with you guys to sip the water during the exercises, and have a towel to wipe off the sweat. Also, if you feel tired or fatigued during the workout, take a rest and then start it again. You don't have to burden yourself more than the capacity you have. If you are a beginner, just take it very slow and steady. So guys, let's start the workout. Ta-da!
To do these jump squats, stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart, hands by your side, chest up, shoulder rolled back, chin up and look ahead. Bend your knees, push your buttocks out, squat down. Your knee should not overshoot your toes. Bend slightly forward to prevent your lower back to get hurt. Bring your palms together as you squat down. While getting up, propel your body upward and jump. Throw your hands down to generate force. Land 10 repetitions each. Stand with feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Make two fists and hold arm next to side with elbows bent. Punch the right fist in an upward motion, stopping firmly at chin level. Switch to left fist. Continue to switch right and left until you are at fast rhythmic pace. Always stop at chin level as if you are punching a target. Lie flat on the floor with your arms fully extended back, your head and your legs straight. Bend at the waist and contract your abs, simultaneously raising your legs and arms to meet at the jackknife position above your stomach. Lower your arms and legs back to the starting position and repeat. Being in a plank position with your shoulders over your wrists, your feet together, your body in a straight line. Similar to the motion of jumping jacks, jump your feet wide, keeping your butts down. Jump your feet together. Keep your lower abs pulled in very tightly as you jack your feet. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, arms by your side. Bend your knees and reach forward to place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs out behind you. Immediately lower your entire body down to the ground. Bending at the elbows, use your arm to quickly push your body back up and hope your legs back under your body. Jump straight up into air, reaching your arms overhead. End with your knees slightly bent and go directly to the next rep. Lie down on your back, brace your abs, lift your knees to 90 degrees, place your arms behind the head pointing elbow outward. Exhale and rotate your trunk, moving your right elbow and left knee towards each other. Do the same with the left leg.
I'm pretty sure that you guys liked the workout and also enjoyed the workout. So, keep up the pace and keep your spirit high. You can do it. And stay with me and be part of my fitness journey, and I'll be part of your fitness journey. And let's see the results. One more thing. You all guys know that the world is dealing with the COVID-19 situation, and as per the government new regulations and guidelines, I would like to request, please stay at your places, stay home, eat healthy and clean, and have a positive attitude towards life and be grateful for everything that you have in your life. Keep smiling, keep rocking. Thank you. Tada!